Where are you going today?
A beach.
Yeah? You want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
All right. Ready, Mama? Let's go to the beach.
Like every time I do videos, I always look like crap. And I'm thinking like I always look like crap.
Yeah. Okay, thank
You
you.
say yeah.
But got me my Twinkies. Let's go back.
You said yeah.
Look at, you haven't even been outside. It's like raining ash.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this is a good thing I didn't wash my car. Yeah, look at, your car was just washed. Bug, where are we going?
A beach.
Hopefully that's the plan.
Go.
I know, we're just waiting for everyone else.
everybody else. And Uncle Bubba's blocking us.
Yeah, so we're stuck. We're waiting for Bros back there. And then Tom is right behind us. There's Tom's car. Sandra's right there. And then Bro's car is over there. Let me see. Can you see? You can see the top. Oh no. You see the light at the end of the tunnel? Don't go in. No. No. Ah, this is the beach. So, we're at the beach. I have to drop them off because there's no parking. And yeah, that's just about it. No parking. I had to freaking park like in Timbuktu, a mile away. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Come on here. Ooh, what are you guys doing? Oh. Right? How much is there, Bud? What are they? You don't know? Sand crabs? Oh, wow.
It was trippy because when we put the sand in and it was water, you just didn't go.
They try to get into the sand.
The sand, oh shit. These are fast.
What happened?
I know, we're gonna kick her butt. I told you, okay? We're gonna kick her butt.
Ooh, you're gonna get your butt kicked, Marina.
I'll say I can put it in there.
Oh, get closer. Yeah, point the camera towards Snack and... Sorry, no, that's okay. No, you stand up, silly. I'm just getting to your side. Look at, go get him. swimming and be like, yeah. Oh, here comes the water. There's the water, Look at the water. Whoa. What happened? We don't know. Look at. Oh my goodness! You see what happened? What happened? Everyone's falling. You want to get back down?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, get down.
Mommy said no.
Why are you scared of water?
Water.
It's just water. Oh, like, whoa! But got scared because he got knocked down by a wave.
He did? I didn't see it. Oh, and then he fell. Look at me, and then they gave it again.
I was looking at him because I was hoping he would run, but he just tripped and fell.
Maybe it was the Andrew. You're not allowed on this side.
Daniel, here, go higher.
And then the water's coming up.
Oh, look at
We're making a moat. Look at the helicopter, fuckers. Come on.
You're fine.
Flying, huh?
Hey, when you see a helicopter, you do that. I'm going for a green one. Are you open yet? Oh, that guy.
That's what you're asking.
No, I forgot about that.
What?
He's like, are you open? Like, my sandwich making are over. He goes, what? I forgot about that.
Yeah. Dude? Oh my goodness, sorry guy.
Get up, get up.
Get up. Yeah, you can.
I know.
You can.
Back like this. Wait, come here. Come here.
You're like, no.
Okay.
What happened, Marina? You want to get buried next? Okay. Look, so bro is picking a fight with this bird right here because he wants his stick. Like, look at him. Yeah. It's like. Look at both brothers fucking picking on a bird. That was funny.
You got that? Oh.
All right, so we've been home for quite a while now, and of course La Princesa gets hungry, and what does she want? Nothing else but In-N-Out. Yeah, I'm waiting to get some In-N-Out.